Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Firefox or Chrome browser is returning an error message that says that your connection is not secure. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is just right click on your date and time settings down in your taskbar and select where it says adjust date/time. Where it says set time automatically, you want to make sure that is turned on. So if for some reason it's turned off, go ahead and set that. And then underneath synchronize your clock, select the sync now button. The check mark indicates that it was successful. And then finally for the time zone, make sure your time zone settings are correct as well. And once that is done, you can just close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.